everybody. A very good morning. I'm Justine Kapani. Tuesday, I think it's close to about 11:30 India Standard Time. I'm Justine Kapani, the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor. Cheers on a lovely, enjoyable chai. This is the simple things and the simple joys in life which kind of give you happiness and a kickstart to a fantastic day. So enjoy yourself. Cheers. And I'm Jashin Kapani. I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. So it's going to be winters. So my thought shares is on design and architectural or your home and office facelift. So there's so many homes, there's so many offices in India, in India, in other countries, corporate offices and other offices, workspaces, your showrooms, your retail outlets, your setups, your homes. Also the malls, they have these air AC ducts, the ones that you have for air circulation and stuff. Specifically, when you are working out of a space, and they have the AC with the air circulation happening. So this is an idea which you could use, which is you kind of get a screwdriver and you get the screws. You unscrew the flap, the top, which is the lines, the rectangular lines of your air conditioner. I'm talking about the air circulation, the ducts one, with the duct and everything, where you have the central air conditioning or the heating also in a lot of countries, including in India as well. So what you do is, instead of that, you have, you probably have a flap or a design which you've done, an architectural design. It could be anything which is your personal favorite. Maybe you like stripes, maybe you like flowers, maybe you like carving or something. So you have a flap which is probably maybe a wood look one, or maybe it is stylish stainless steel one, or maybe it is a golden one or whatever, or a silver one. So whichever is your theme on that, you basically have this flap. Ideally, it must be a light, kind of a material which you have replacing the grayish or the whitish look of your AC, and you'll have an amazing exterior or an amazing look to give to your office without really thinking that you're stuck with the air conditioner or with the central air conditioning look and stuff. Okay, so hope that helps. So lots of offices, lots of working spaces, they have these air conditioning ducts I've already shared. So you could try this, and you'll have a nice look and a new look and something different, and the same space will have the air circulation or the heat happening to you in a classy, gorgeous design. So do this, it's going to work. So have a great day, enjoy yourself, stay happy, stay upbeat, and let nothing get you down. And with the fitness, a happy disposition or a cheerful disposition is a great idea, because it's easy to get along with people who are happy and joyful and stuff, and with those who are kind of going through different emotions because they can't control their emotions of anger or frustration or depression or hurt or whatever. So a good idea is to let it go. Be happy, be cheerful, be joyous, be upbeat, have fun, and spread the joy and happiness. Also, because it's Christmas now, so it's going to be good fun and a great time. And thank you so many of my friends for including not just happiness, but prayers also in your thoughts about life. And when you're praying, definitely certain things are changing. And they say that if you really want to bring about a change in the world or in the environment, you have to change yourself. Okay, so though we are so used to being in a certain manner, we are so used to conducting in a certain fashion, we are so used to those typical behaviors in family, in offices and stuff. So if you really want to change, or if you really want something to improve and you want something better coming your way, you have to work on yourself. It cannot be, and it shouldn't be, the same behaviors and your attitudes. And at any point of your time, you can change those. Trust me when I say this to you. The core change lies in you. You can change everything You do not have to kind of depend on anybody and everything. Work on yourself, that's it. And work on the spaces and the environments you're in and the kind of company you keep, because that drives a lot of your attitudes. And everything is about kind of feeling good and feeling great. I mean, a person who's feeling good and a person is feeling great, a person is joyful, cheerful and happy, life seems like a paradise, life seems like a joyous trip. But somebody who's unhappy, somebody is grumpy, somebody's unpleasantness, I think they're basically miserable or a devilish state of mind. Okay, so do these little things because they're going to add a little more extra joy and extra more beauty to your day and your life and stuff. And that's the way you kind of stay creative. And who knows, it may again inspire you to have probably vertical or horizontal setups in your apartments or in your offices, replicating the same design. So love and luck and take care, have fun, enjoy, cheers, Hakuna Matata. And I think it's just midweek, so continue in the tempo of how you're feeling and stuff. And remember to pray and remember to send positive energies and vibrations to the universe. All of that multiplies and there is a huge connect. Okay, so love and luck and take care, have fun, bye bye. Thanks for writing in. Bye bye.